In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from TD Bank to Indian Bank. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the process and how to send money, the first thing to do is to open the TD app or go to the TD Easy Web Canada or TD Bank Online US Banking app. Then sign in with your username and password. Then from there, you have to go to the TD Global Transfer in the main menu, then tap or click on send money. Then choose the TD Global Transfer from the list. Then select India as the destination and enter the amount you want to send. Then from there, choose the bank account as the delivery method. And after that, you have to add the recipient's bank details. So for you to be able to do this, you have to add the full name as it appears on their bank account, then their address in India, their bank name, and their IFC code, and their account number. Then you have to review and confirm. So you will see the exchange rate, fee, and the estimate delivery time. Then click on confirm and send money. And that's how to send money or send or transfer money from TD Bank to Indian Bank. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.